In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a JSON file to import a workflow in N8N. The first thing you need to do is open up your N8N. Once it's open, click on the overview and from there, create a new workflow. When you create a workflow, you'll see a blank space appear. At this point, you need to copy some JSON code. For this demonstration, I generated some random JSON code with ChatGPT. I'll copy this code and now we can move forward. If you already have valid JSON code copied, the process of importing and uploading it is very simple. All you need to do is click anywhere on the empty space inside the workflow editor and paste the code by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Within a few seconds, you'll see that your code has been pasted into the workspace. After that, you just need to apply it inside N8N. The only additional step you may need to take is updating the credentials if there are any that need to be changed. Once you've done that, you're all set and ready to go. That's really all there is to it. Thank you for watching.